भीमातीर्निवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंग प्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहरणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. During these stressful times, these hard times, these difficult times, facing several calamities, man easily succumbs to pessimism. His prayers have nearly stopped. His faith is enfeebled. His belief is shaken up. He does not know what to do when he becomes desperate, not finding any solution to the puzzle called life. He thinks the only way is suicide. Many in high society have resorted to it, not realizing they are endangering their soul further and leaving no possible solution for its problem. As long as man is alive, there are 100 ways to live on. That is the message for today. Sri Hanuman finds himself lost in Lanka with no clue about Mother Sita. His great mission of a solitary flight across the ocean has failed miserably. He goes into temporary depression, but the great devotee that he is, as he is the courage of the coward, the hope for the hopeless, the strength of the weakling, to all this, to all those who chant his name, he suddenly realizes the power of prayer. He prays to Sri Rama, Mother Sita, Sri Lakshmana, to all the deities of the various quarters, and suddenly realizes there is one unexplored area called Ashokavanika. That is the way to live on, through intense faith, through intense prayer, through intense hope that results from it. In life, one lives on, clinging to one's belief. At times, while passing through a terrible calamity, faith looks frail like a blade of grass. The desperate swimmer in the ocean of life holds it for a while and feels more miserable, desperate, thinking, how can a blade of grass save me? I am the drowning man. At once, with a breath of prayer that comes to him, he sees a branch of a tree floating towards him that is also weak compared to his dimension. He survives on hope and faith. He sees a boatman with a small boat ready to reach him to the shore. That is the fruit of deciding to live on. Dear devotee, never give up. But like the Count of Monte Cristo, learn from the spider in the prison. The more you fail in your attempts, the closer you are to your goal. A man of God does not live on without a purpose. He knows he was born for a goal, for a purpose. Hence, he does not want to end his life foolishly. Every path leads somewhere. Every ship sees a guiding star. Every solitary bird flies towards a distant nest and does not rest until she reaches her destination. One has to live on, come what may, on the journey of life. Some part and they break our heart. We live on. Some depart forever and we mourn for them, pray for their soul. That is what the living can do for those who are no more. They live on. Never feel alone, my dear. Never when you live on. तू अकेला नहीं है रे मानव, तेरे साथ खड़ा तेरा केशव, तेरा रथ भी चलाए और आंसू पोंछ जाए, तेरे हाथ को थामे हे माधव, हो तू अकेला नहीं है रे मानव. Dear children of God, this world is not an arid desert created by a mad creator. It's a beautiful garden of grace. Sometimes the Creator scatters thorns beneath our feet, and when they hurt us, He is there to scatter rose petals of joy. His caring hand is behind us, preventing us from falling down because we decided to live on. Live on, dear devotee, live on. Life was given for living on and not annihilation. Life is a tough journey, rough journey, but remember His flute music guides you through dark tunnels of sorrow to see the light of hope and joy in His strong, warm hands. He is holding us close to His heart. If you're sensitive, His heartbeat says, I love you, child. I love you. I love you because you decided to live on. कहाँ से आए, कहाँ है जाना, जिसको है खोया, उसी को है पाना. मुसाफिर खाना है, ये दुनिया मुसाफिर खाना है. चाहे जितनी दिन यहाँ जी लो, एक दिन जाना है. मुसाफिर खाना है, ये दुनिया मुसाफिर खाना है. Thank you.